And here is my friend's new Henry 3030.
The big boy.
Big boy, isn't that the 357 and the 44? Or is the 3030 also called the big boy?
I think so.
I'm sure it would be. Henry, beautiful. There you can see myself in the reflection. Gonna try it out at the range tomorrow. Octagonal barrel, very thick, like a bull barrel, I guess you might call it. Let's turn it over. On the side says the caliber, 3030. Nice action. It's a little tight because it's new, but that should loosen up. Of course, you saw that it's not loaded. And it's so heavy that I doubt you'll need a rubber recoil butt pad. Wood is just so nice on this thing. Look at that.
Oh, yeah, the big boy, or just the pistol round one.
Oh, okay. So what's this one called then, technically?
Just a Henry.
Okay. Beautiful.
22 is the golden boy.
Oh, right. Wow. So you don't really like those rear sights, eh? Guess you could put a
Well, I haven't looked through it with my
scope.
contacts. That was with my prescription.
You could always put a scope on it. Yeah. Very nice. And that's the Henry 3030. Brand new.